Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of the Paul's Workshop. We're outside today. It's a nice kind of cool day, a little rainy day out here. But I wanted to get this video together and get it out quick because I want to show you something that we found in Walmart. They're probably all hitting the clearance price right now. So I want to give you guys this tip and take a look at the Blackstone that we picked up at Walmart for half price. All right, here it is, folks. This is the 36-inch Blackstone griddle with the hardcover, the folding shells. They're giving you the toolbar here. They're also giving you the paper towel holder. I saw a couple of these earlier in the summer, and I was like, man, these are pretty cool. I'd like one of those, but I'm not spending $300-400, which is what the going rate was, or going price for them is. Walked into Walmart yesterday, just kind of walking around, looking for deals. Now, these weren't priced. There are no signs on them, but if you have the Walmart app, you can scan it with your phone. And this one came up $150, so it's 50% off. All right, we got our special box opener here. If you know, you know. It's a little windy out. You might hear some breeze and some noise in the back since we're outside. But yeah, let's get this cut open and see what we got inside. Now, some of them, the boxes are a little messed up. It does say you get, you should be able to assemble it in 30 minutes, it says. But, okay, here's our instructions. Not too many screws there, nicely laid out. Here's our knobs. They tell you what everything is, which is really, really nice. So it's easy to figure out. Shelf support pegs. So really, you know what you're getting into when you get into it. You also have a good idea what tools you're going to need, which looks like a Phillips head pretty much, and maybe a flathead, and that's about it. All right, lots and lots of silica gel. I like to save these. I don't know about you guys, but I like to save these and throw them in my toolboxes in the garage to help keep the tools from getting rusted. So we'll hold on to those. All right, we got a little cardboard box here. Oh, that's our grease tray. Looks like our handles for the lid. This is so much fun. It's like Christmas. All right, we got another box here. All right, and there it looks like got some kind of a strip of something. All right, it's pretty well packaged. They do a nice job here. Maybe we should open the instructions and see what we got. But you can see here we got a propane regulator. Here's your instructions with everything laid out nicely. Your griddle body, your shells, tells you what everything is, what all your parts are, shows you how they're laid out. So that's really nice. And it's going to give you your assembly instructions here. They don't give you a AA battery. Are they kidding me? Really surprised that they don't throw that in. Okay. All right, so with the help of another person, so we're going to need Paul. Hey, look who showed up. Just in time to help out. Paul from soccer practice. What's up, kid? So,
Clouds.
let's get your head in there. So, this girl weighs 137 pounds. I got it into the car myself yesterday. I got it out of the car with Paul's help. So he's got to help us pull it out of the box. So it looks like it's folded kind of in there. All right, so this is probably where you're really going to need your help, is lifting this out of the box. So we're going to lift this out of the box. If you can actually get your hands on it. Oh, wait, that's not the heavy part. Down in the bottom, that's all the weight right there. That's the cast iron grill part. So we're just going to slide this out of the way for now. Right. And now we're not going to do a step-by-step assembly on this. We're going to put it together and then just kind of show you what's in there and a couple of the parts. We're not going to do it, right? Should we do a step-by-step assembly? No. So let's use the magic of television to assemble it. Do you have any magic words, Paul?
Uh,
Okay, so we did get it assembled yesterday before the rain came. We're dealing with, I guess, hurricane or tropical storm Aaron off the coast. So that's what that wind is. And we're dealing with some rain, but the rain has stopped now. It's the next day. This is a cover. It doesn't come with the package, but these are also on special at Walmart. This is 22 bucks, this cover. So we're going to take the cover off. We're actually going to season this grill. And we're not going to go through a step-by-step, but we'll take a look at kind of the before season and after season look. Okay, with the cover off, you can see it does keep the grill nice and dry. This particular one comes with that magnetic tool holder. And it also comes with this hard shell cover, or the hard cover, whatever they call it. So that comes off and clips on the back. So we're going to take a look at the cook surface here. This is how your cook surface comes brand new. And what we have to do is preheat this griddle, and then coat it with their proprietary blend. You can use your own canola oil or whatever you want to season it, but I'm going to use the proprietary blend since it's the first time. And you're supposed to repeat that 3 to 5 times until you get a nice black top. So we'll do that. Okay, here you see this is just about, maybe 5 minutes in. Now this is after the first round of seasoning. And then this is during the second round. You can see it's still smoking there. And this is after four rounds of seasoning. Okay, here we are now. We've done our 4 rounds. It's cooled down. I'm just about ready to cover it up. I wanted to show you, we do have the 2 shelves are drop-down shelves. So, and now if you wanted to take up less space for storage or whatever. So we're going to cover this up. All right, this is the seasoning that we use from Blackstone. This was on sale at our local Walmart. And our Walmart also has a lot of the other accessories on clearance. So 30% off, some up to 40% it seems. So we stocked up. Oh, we hope you liked this video on the big Walmart 50% off Blackstone. Check your local stores and, of course, like and subscribe.